Looking to skyrocket your dropshipping success? Email marketing might just be your secret weapon. It's direct, cost-effective, and when done right, a powerhouse for driving sales. Today, we're diving deep into email marketing for dropshipping newbies. Let's get started. First off, why email marketing? Unlike social media posts that can easily get lost in the noise, emails land directly in your customer's inbox. Think of it as having a one-on-one conversation with your potential buyers, away from the chaos. And in case you're thinking email is old news, well, hear us out. This data published by HubSpot confirms that 51% of marketers say email marketing is the most effective marketing channel used. And according to Statista, the number of global email users was 4.26 billion in 2022. This number is set to grow to 4.73 billion users in 2026. So, email is still the perfect tool to build relationships and a way to drive sales. It's also incredibly cost-effective, making it ideal for beginners with tight budgets. Plus, emails offer a personal touch, allowing you to tailor your messages based on customer preferences and behavior. Before diving into building your email list and crafting those perfect emails, the first crucial step is choosing the right email marketing platform. This tool will be the backbone of your email marketing strategy, helping you to manage your campaigns, track performance, and ultimately connect with your customers effectively. Not all email marketing platforms are created equal. Some are free, others are paid, and they come with a variety of features that can significantly impact your email marketing efforts. The right platform can streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and provide valuable insights through analytics. On the other hand, choosing the wrong one could mean dealing with limitations that hinder your ability to grow and engage your audience effectively. There are many platforms out there, but not all are ideal for dropshipping businesses. Here's a quick look at some popular email marketing platforms you might consider. MailChimp is known for its ease of use and free tier, making it a popular choice for beginners. Klaviyo is ideal for e-commerce businesses, offering powerful automation and segmentation features tailored for online stores. And GetResponse is known for its comprehensive features, including email marketing, landing pages, and webinars. Before committing to a platform, take the time to explore your options. Sign up for free trials, watch tutorial videos, and read reviews, like this one on the screen now, to see which platform aligns best with your needs and goals. For example, if you're running a Shopify store, you might want to consider apps like Omnisend or Sendvio. Both are popular choices among Shopify users because they offer seamless integration, advanced segmentation, and automation tools designed specifically for e-commerce. Omnisend even allows you to add SMS and push notifications to your campaigns, while Sendvio is well known for its intuitive interface and powerful features like abandoned cart recovery and email flows, all tailored for dropshipping. Each platform has its unique strengths, so take the time to find one that suits your store's specific needs. Now, after selecting your email marketing platform, you're ready to start building your email list, which is the foundation of your email marketing strategy. Let's dive into how you can create and grow that list effectively. Start with a compelling lead magnet, something irresistible like a discount or exclusive content. It's your bait on the hook to reel in subscribers. Make sure your sign-up forms are easy to find and fill out. Place them strategically on your homepage, blog posts, and checkout pages. Pop-ups can also be effective, but remember, timing is everything. You don't want to annoy your visitors, you want to engage them. Don't forget to leverage social media. Promote your email list on all platforms and highlight the benefits of subscribing. The more you engage, the more you attract. So, you've got your list. This means it's time to create your emails. Your subject line is your first impression, so make it count, clear, relevant, and intriguing. Personalization is key. Address your recipients by name and tailor your content to their preferences. It shows that you care, and that personal touch can make all the difference. Mix up your content. Combine product recommendations, blog posts, and special offers to keep your audience engaged. And don't forget your call to action. Whether it's shop now or claim your discount, make sure it stands out and guides your readers toward the next step. Also, remember that many people check their emails on mobile devices. Optimize your emails for mobile with responsive design and concise text. A mobile-friendly email is a must. Automation is your best friend in email marketing. It saves time and ensures your emails are timely and relevant. Start with a welcome series. Greet new subscribers, introduce your brand, and offer a welcome discount. It's the perfect way to set the tone for a positive relationship. Don't forget to automate abandoned cart emails to remind customers of what they left behind, and follow-up emails to thank them for their purchase and suggest related products. Once your campaigns are live, it's time to analyze and optimize. Track key metrics like open rates and click-through rates to see what's working and what's not. Use A/B testing to experiment with different subject lines, CTAs, and content formats. Find out what resonates best with your audience and refine your approach. Gather feedback directly from your subscribers to improve their experience. Remember, email marketing is not a set-it, and forget its strategy. Keep refining and improving based on data and feedback. Let's see how all of this can play out in real life. Here's a brand that turned things around with a smart email marketing strategy. They built their email list by crafting engaging and personalized emails, automated key campaigns, and continuously optimized their approach. The result? A significant boost in sales, increase in conversion rates, more than 2K new subscribers, and a growing, engaged customer base. Email marketing is a powerful tool for dropshipping newbies. By choosing the right email platform, building a strong email list, creating engaging emails, leveraging automation, and continuously optimizing your strategy, you can drive real results for your business. Think of email marketing as your launchpad to success. Start creating those emails today and watch your customer base grow and thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more dropshipping tips and strategies. Until next time.